everyone! Today I'm going to make a tangy and sweet coconut mint chutney, which is a hot favorite at a lot of my parties, and a lot of friends have been asking for the recipe for this one. So for this, we need 200 grams of freshly cut coconut. You can also use frozen coconut if you don't have fresh coconut. Half an onion chopped, a handful of mint leaves fresh, handful of fresh coriander leaves, 2 green chilies, you can add more depending on your spice levels, 1 inch of ginger peeled and cut into bigger pieces, juice of 1 lime or lemon, half a teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of black salt, or you can use regular salt to your taste. We need 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm using monk sugar. You could use any kind of sugar that you like. Half teaspoon of chaat masala. This is optional. And of course some water, which is to get the desired consistency when you're making this chutney. Next, take a blender and add the coconut into it. And we will first start with blending the coconut. At this point, add some water. We need this coconut to be finely grated. That looks much better. And now we will add all the rest of the ingredients and of course some water and start blending this. Let us blend this and then we'll add all the spices towards the end. At this point, we'll add the juice of 1 lime, 1 teaspoon of sugar, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of chaat masala, and of course we keep adding water. Now let's blend it. And there you go, your coconut mint chutney is all ready to be eaten. You can enjoy this with chips, with idlis, with dosas, even with your sandwiches. They taste amazing.